included the following intentions for the Thanksgiving of Mr. and Mrs. Cosmetas and family, Doug Edwin and family, Mr. and Mrs. Jose Dijon and family, Mr. and Mrs. Arthur and Glo and Celeste and family, Yanita Malinaya Perez and family, Mr. and Mrs. Fernando Carlos, Honorable Mayor Chris Garbo, Honorable Vice Mayor Attorney Gerald Tino, Honorable Captain Edward Galagos, Barangay Manila Council, Parish Pastoral Council, Fiesta Committee 2024, Annis Moto for Safety Travel, Mr. and Mrs. Marilyn Torres, Miss Vandelina Valencia and family, Mr. and Mrs. Joselito Torres and family, Mrs. Jaga and Doralde and family, Mrs. Ines Torres and family, Timothy and Dexter Ocampo and family, Teresita Lacanado, Mr. and Mrs. Michael and Evelyn Minitorio, Noel and Titi Aquino and family, Mr. and Mrs. Rudy Pineda and family, Eloisa Lacson, Honorable June Castro, Mr. and Mrs. Edwin Leon and family, Merla De Leon, Benny Thompson, Nardo De La Cruz, St. Raphael Foundation and Medical Center Incorporated and family, Mr. and Mrs. Lorena Villaria and family, Roel and Cecilia Nino and family, Pine Fitter and family, Amor and Grace Villas